Hello guys and welcome back. So I'm going to review this Neem Ayu kit today, which consists of oil, shampoo and capsules. But I am starting off with oiling. My hair was very dry, so I thought that as this kit says that you have to do oiling and like nicely, so starting with oil. So the smell is not that great, but the oil is very great. So you have to slowly apply oil. जोर जोर से नहीं करना है, very slowly, nicely, so all over your scalp. When you press me to your world where roses bloom. When you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem turning into love songs. You press me to your world where roses bloom. When you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday words seem. So after washing my hair with the shampoo, my hair felt very soft and the shine is amazing. You'll see aage, it's really good. So guys, now I am going to tell you in little detail about this brand. Now, so Neem Ayu is an Ayurvedic brand. It says goodbye to all your hair problems. It's clinically proven and it's an expert range. So as you saw, I oiled my hair. I really loved the oil. And the shampoo is also amazing. You can see there is a shine in my hair, which is actually very natural with that. So before I start with the small detail brief about this brand, now there are three things. So the shampoo, oil you saw me doing, so there is this oil, and they also provide you with this capsules. So these capsules are anti-hair fall capsules and they are all natural. So there are 2-3 disclaimers. Now for my hair, I'm actually taking a lot of care of my hair from last few days, and a lot of my videos are going to come for hair fall. So for that, I will tell you, for the capsules, please ask your doctor, please consult your doctor before taking these capsules. I am not taking the capsules because I suffer acidity issues, so I can't have any tablets, so I have not used these. I'm very honest. But if you want to add extra benefits from this range, you should consult your doctor and then have this. But these two, I am really liking this. You have to use this oil twice a week. This is what they recommend, and keep it throughout the night. Let all that oil sink in your hair, and next day wash your hair with this amazing shampoo. Now Neem Ayu gives no questions asked. It is 100% guaranteed results or the money back. 100% money back guarantee. So they are so sure about their products, and actually I love the oil. Actually I always love oils because any type of oil which suits your skin hair type is amazing. I mean, if you use it religiously, it is really good. Now, as I said, they ask you to use this oil on your head. You give it a nice, on your scalp, you give it a nice massage. Keep it to 6 to 8 hours, or overnight is better than waiting for 6 to 8 hours. And then you wash it off with the shampoo. And similarly, these capsules which are provided, you need to have one daily. And as I said, you have to use these daily, but you have to be careful. You have to consult your doctor before consuming any type of medication, whether it's for skin or. Now these capsules have amazing things. It has amalkali, that is amla. It has ashwagandha, it has bringraj, it has brahmi, it has what do you call this, Majesta. It's all herbal. Actually, this is not even with any chemical, so it is actually chemical free. So I think you can have it, but definitely consult your doctor. So this is how some skincare or hair care works inside and outside. So this is inside, this is outside. Now talking about the oil. Now I really love this oil. It is free from mineral and artificial color, so this is completely natural. Now this oil also consists of amalkali, which is amla, as brahmi. It has many gulab, okay. Then it has methi. It has, okay, so it has everything which is good for your hair. So everything combined and put in this amazing oil. The fragrance is not that great, but because it has all natural ingredients, you should expect such type of fragrances, because कुछ artificial add नहीं किया हुआ है. So this is amazing. The shampoo is again same, as you are eating same and applying same, everything is same. It is packed with all amazing ingredients. Now this shampoo is 200 ml, and so this full package is priced at ₹1000 का kit है ये. Otherwise you see these are, the oil alone is 699, the shampoo is 999, and these capsules are 599, but you get the entire kit at ₹1000. So they say that you use it continuously, and even I felt that this ₹1000 ka kit will definitely reduce your hair fall a lot. So I can feel my hair are soft. You can see the shine on my hair, although when I did my oiling and hair shampoo, that was 1 day ago. So this is after 1 day. I was very busy. So can you see, even after 1 day my hair are beautiful. Okay, I've never done any straightening or anything, but still the hair shine is there, and I am really liking my hair. So when the complete procedure is done, it definitely reduces your hair fall. Can you see this? So nothing, okay. Otherwise I used to have so much hair in my hands, but this has definitely improved, and it also improves your hair texture, which you can definitely see. It also promotes this hair growth because of the oil. It improves your hair growth also. So this Neem Ayu kit is designed in such a way to stop hair fall, and it is clinically proven to give you best results. So there's a discount code inside. Do check that out. You will get a discount on this kit. For information about this brand and the discount code, their website, their Instagram page is all in the description box. Do check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I love the oil and the shampoo. I don't know about this because I'm not using it. Seriously, I'm not using. But if you are a person who who is really looking forward to get amazing results, so you should definitely have this with your doctor's permission. But these two are just amazing, and I think I really love the oil so much. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and more hair care is coming your way. A lot more is coming your way, so please keep tuned, and thank you for watching. You be happy and you be stylish. Bye.